We'll guide you through how to fix your PS5 controller not charging. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and also leaving a like. The first thing you're going to want to do is just go and turn off your PS5. So come on the power button and just hold it, and make sure you keep holding it so you actually go and shut it down. You don't want it in rest mode, you want to go and turn it off just like so. And then what you're going to want to do is go and grab your controller like this and just go and unplug it for now. And what we're going to firstly try doing is resetting our controller. To perform a reset on your controller, spin it round, and to the right of Sony there's a small hole there, and in there is a button you need to hold to reset it. So what you need is something small. So personally I use a paper clip, you can use a pin, and then all you need to do is put it in the hole just here, and then what you want to do is hold it until you feel the button click, and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and that should have then gone and reset it. And then what you want to do is try turning your console back on and then plugging it in and seeing if that'll go and fix the problem. So we'll turn it on, and then we'll go and grab the charging cable once again, and we'll go and plug it in the top just like this, and then go and wait for your console to turn on and go and see if your controller will then start charging. If your controller still isn't charging, then what you should do is just go and unplug the cable like this. And what you want to do is go and look in the charging port. So go and look right in here, because often dust or just other debris can get in this port here, and it may just go and stop it from charging. The wire may still work, it just isn't quite a strong enough connection to go and actually charge it, but it will still operate it. And so what you want to do is go and see if there's any physical debris in there, and also what you want to do is just blow in that hole, because if there's a bit of dust just blocking one of the connectors from charging, that will go and fix the problem. So go and blow in that hole with your mouth or with compressed air, just to clear any dust which may be blocking a connector. After you've done that, try plugging it in again just like this, and go and see if it will then go and charge. If it still isn't charging, then it may be an issue with the wire itself. So if your wire's bent or anything like that, that could be why. So what you could try doing is sort of making sure it's straight again. But otherwise, just go and get a new wire to go and see if that'll fix the problem. Sometimes these do bend and things like that. So yeah, try a new wire. If that still doesn't work, then what could be worth trying is, instead of getting a whole new controller, you can actually charge it on the bottom of your controller here. And so what you need is a docking station for this, which you could go and get. I know it's not ideal, but yeah, it could be worth trying that if nothing else is working. But hopefully one of the methods in this video would have gone and fixed it before you need to get to that point. If you found this guide useful and it fixed your problem, please leave a like.